This is kind of the classic water bottle setup. You generally want 2, maybe 3 liters worth of water bottles. The 1 liter Nalgene is ideal. It's what most people use. Wide mouth is great so that you can fill it up easily. And you need Huggies for these jackets, water bottle jackets, so that when it gets cold higher on the mountain, these don't freeze. So something like this OR jacket, I think they call them a water bottle boot, is ideal. Keep them from freezing. There's also this is made by 40 Below, this water bottle boot. But this is another option. This is what I tend to go with. I go with a 1.5 liter bottle and then a 1/2 liter bottle. This way, this 1.5 liter freezes a little less quickly than the 1 liter. And I can use this 1/2 liter both as a hot drink mug around camp, and then I can also store it in my down suit or my down jacket parka so that I can get it out while I'm climbing. Everest Summit Day, this is the setup I'd use. I'd keep this in my pack, and I might keep a thermos and then this 1/2 liter bottle in my down suit pocket so I can get to them while I climb. And then once I go through those, I can fill them back up with this larger water bottle. And then the only other water bottle you need to know about is the pee bottle. I just use a simple Nalgene. 1 liter is great. Be aware that those plastic foldable Nalgene bottles or plastic pee bottles, those can break, they can pop, you can kick them with a crampon, and then you get a leak. So I find just a simple plastic Gatorade bottle or a Nalgene bottle works best. Having a nice little thermos is great, especially for extreme cold weather climbs like Vinson and Mount Everest. This is what I use, just something small that I can keep in my jacket or my down suit pocket, make sure it seals really well. Just nice to put some tea in there, give me a little pep, something warm while I'm climbing. And you can also use this as a hot drink mug around camp as well.